Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will cover some fundamental knowledge about the break-in process for tractors. The topics we will discuss include 1. Purpose of break-in, 2. Procedures for tractor break-in, 3. Maintenance after break-in. First, let's understand that the purpose of breaking in a new tractor is to extend its service life and reduce the likelihood of faults during use. A new tractor or an engine that has undergone major repairs must be broken in before use. Failing to do so and operating under load can cause severe wear on moving parts, leading to loss of functionality and a shortened machine life. The purpose of breaking in a new tractor is to gradually smooth out the uneven friction surfaces, achieving a smooth and hard pressure surface and obtaining proper clearances. This ensures that once the tractor is in regular operation, it can withstand loads and establish a solid foundation for extending its service life. Consider the complexity of a tractor's assembly, as shown in the diagram, to appreciate the necessity of break-in. So, what tasks are involved in breaking in a tractor? Specifically, there are 5 main aspects to address. 1. Preparation before break-in. 2. Break-in of engine idling. 3. Break-in of hydraulic system. 4. Break-in of tractor running. 5. Break-in of tractor load. First, the initial step is to complete the preparation before break-in. 1. Check external bolts and nuts. Tighten them if loose. Lubricate each point according to the lubrication chart, and inspect the oil levels in the engine oil pan, transmission, rear axle, lifter, front axle, steering oil reservoir, steering mechanism, and air filter. Add grease or oil to the lubricated parts as specified. 2. Fill fuel and coolant and check electrical connections. Set the gear lever to neutral, hand throttle to idle, and hydraulic lever to the down position. 3. Check oil levels in the engine oil pan, steering oil tank, steering mechanism, and air filter. 4. Fill fuel and coolant. 5. Check electrical connections. 6. Set the gear lever to neutral, hand throttle to idle, and hydraulic lever to the down position. 7. Verify that tire pressure is correct. Next, perform the break-in of engine idling. After starting the engine, let it idle for 5 minutes, then gradually increase to the rated speed for idle operation. Engine idling refers to the operation of the engine without any load. The period of break-in of engine idling should typically last around 15 minutes. After completing the break-in of engine idling, proceed with the break-in of hydraulic system as follows. 1. Start the engine and operate the lift control lever to raise and lower the lifting mechanism several times. Check for any signs of hydraulic system cavitation or air pockets. Then, attach an implement or weight less than 500 kilograms. At the engine's rated speed, use the lift control lever to smoothly raise and lower the implement or weight. Perform this operation at least 50 times. 2. If the tractor has hydraulic steering, with the tractor stationary, run the engine at low, medium, and high speeds, respectively. Operate the steering wheel to check for ease and smoothness of operation. Next is the break-in of tractor running. This involves operating the tractor on the road without engaging in any other tasks, simply driving on the road. During the running break-in, maintain the engine speed around 1,500 RPM. Start in first gear, then shift to second gear after a period, and proceed to third gear, moving through the gears sequentially from low to high. Afterward, conduct the reverse gear break-in. The running break-in should last approximately 5 hours. Following the break-in of tractor running, proceed to the break-in of tractor load. This involves operating the tractor under load, with the load gradually increased from light to heavy and speed increased step by step. The specific procedure varies by model, so refer to the load break-in chart in the user manual. Typically, this break-in should last for at least 50 hours. During the break-in, strictly follow the user manual's requirements. Avoid shortening the break-in procedures or reducing the time to prevent potential issues. After completing all the break-in procedures for the tractor, perform the post-break-in maintenance, which includes the following 5 aspects. 1. The tractor cannot be used immediately after the break-in due to metal debris in the lubrication system. Clean and replace all lubrication oil and perform necessary maintenance. 2. Replace the lubrication oil in all components as specified in the user manual and clean all related parts. 3. Drain the coolant, clean the cooling system with clean, soft water, and refill it with fresh, clean soft water. 4. Inspect and adjust the free play of the clutch, brakes, and control mechanisms. 5. Lubricate all parts according to the lubrication chart. The tractor is a crucial piece of agricultural machinery. To minimize faults and extend its service life, it is essential to follow a proper break-in procedure before using a new tractor for actual work. Let's review the basic break-in procedures. 1. Preparation before break-in. 2. Break-in of engine idling. 3. Break-in of hydraulic system. 4. Break-in of tractor running. 5. Break-in of tractor load. Finally, please consider the following. 1. The importance of tractor break-in. 2. What preparations are needed before break-in. 3. Summarize the maintenance content after break-in. That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you.